Liven app review. Hey everyone, today we're diving into an app called Liven, which is marketed as a productivity and mental wellness tool. Sounds great in theory, right? But after looking into reviews, Reddit threads, and user experiences, there's quite a bit of skepticism surrounding it. In fact, some people have even labeled it as a potential scam. So let's unpack what's going on here. So, what Liven claims to be is that Liven represents itself as a productivity and wellness app that offers features like goal settings, habit tracking, and mood monitoring. At first glance, it seems like a solid option for anyone trying to balance their productivity with mental wellness. But once you scratch the surface and check your user feedback, a very different story emerges. So, the complaints are that there has been a surprising number of negative experiences shared online, with users voicing several concerns. Like here, you can see that in addition to the positive reviews, there are a number of one-star negative reviews, and you can even read these reviews over here. Some say that it only provides basic concept and old reading based, and you can just go to Trustpilot and read these reviews yourself. Many people report issues with Liven's habit tracker and mood tracker. So there are glitches, unresponsiveness, and poor functionality, very common complaints for an app designed to help you stay organized. This is a major letdown. And also it is overpromised, like there are undelivered. Users have pointed out that the app's marketing overhypes its capabilities. It promises personalized insights and custom goal settings, but many found these features to be very basic and lacking in meaningful customization. Also, while Liven does have a free version, it frequently pushes users to upgrade to a paid subscription. Some felt pressurized to sign up for premium features only to realize these didn't add much value. Worse, multiple users struggled with canceling their subscriptions, citing unresponsive customer service, a serious red flag. So, there are also numerous transparency issues, like beyond technical problems, some Reddit users questioned whether Liven's genuinely prioritize mental wellness. Many felt that app was more focused on making money than providing effective tools. There's also skepticism about legitimacy of some glowing online reviews, with accusation that bot accounts may be inflating its ratings. While the concept behind Liven is appealing, the user feedback raises significant concerns. Between glitchy features, a pushy subscription model, and questionable transparency, it's tough to recommend this app confidently. So if you're looking for a reliable productivity or wellness app, it might be worth exploring alternatives. For example, this Able 2 is one option for users mentioned as being effective and having a strong reputation. Apps with transparent practices and positive user experiences might be a better investment of your time and money. So, Liven could have potential, but right now the issues outweigh the benefits. If this review saves you some frustration, I'm glad I could help. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest app reviews, and I'll catch you next time.